The Landrace 3 is a 4-bedroom, 3-bath home, 2,280 square feet. It has stone accent in the exterior. When you enter the home, it has stone fireplace, wood burning. It's got a media room, huge island in the kitchen, walk-in pantry, optional dining hutch. And this home does have a dining hutch, so it's not optional, it's included in the price. It has a door in the master bathroom, and it also has a large walk-in in the master closet with a master's retreat before you get to the master bedroom. Kitchen area as well, it has a deep chef stainless steel kitchen sink. It has another vegetable sink in the island. It also has another sink and the bar that's attached to the dining area. It has real wood ceiling beams, upflow air. When you walk into the family room, you see an entertainment center with column lights. On the 4 bedrooms, it has deep closets. It has tiled shower in the master bedroom. It has a lot of options. Come down to Palm Harbor, Odessa. Yo soy Moises Contreras. Hablo español, bueno, bonito, barato y sí se puede.